recwell's Resilience Lab offers a variety of programs geared towards stress management. You can view information regarding the Resilience Lab by visiting our website at recwell.vcu.edu and heading over to our Programs tab. We offer drop-in, hybrid, guided meditation sessions at the Cary Street Gym Mind Body Studio or online via Zoom. You can register for a session by visiting VCU Recreation and Wellbeing on Rams Connect, which is also linked on our main website. We also offer free 50-minute one-on-one appointments for students to help with navigating stress management in a more personalized way. Click to book an appointment in the Resilience Lab calendar. This will open Google Calendar in a new tab. Here, you will be able to see all available appointment times. After choosing your desired appointment time, it will provide a pop-up showing the event details. After booking your appointment, you will receive an email with a brief assessment to complete. This is to help prepare everyone for a fulfilling session. These appointments are offered virtually or in person and focus on how to manage stress by incorporating different tips, tools, and strategies to help you stay well. You will also receive guidance on creating a wellness plan catered to your individual needs. All sessions also include a brief guided meditation, so make sure you're in a safe, undisturbed area for the duration of the appointment. And that's it! You can get started with recwell's Resilience Lab today by visiting our website at recwell.vcu.edu.